I just wanted to let y'all know that I am organizing my beauty room. I used to do hair and makeup out of this room, okay? And I left it a mess because I was so excited to move out in my professional space. And I love it, by the way. But I need an office space. You know, I need somewhere I can do my devotion. I can plan out my posts. I can write out my emails. I can do my budgeting. I can do my surfing and researching. I needed an area, okay? I needed an area where I can do all these things, test out my new products. I wanted to let you know that this face that I have on right now is Mary Kay products, okay? And I wanted to go a little light, easy, because I had a business meeting, a virtual business meeting today. I wanted to tell y'all about these products, okay? Because I need y'all to hop on board, okay? I did my face today with most of their products. So this is the foundation. The Bronze W140 Mary Kay Time Wise Matte 3D Foundation. This is what I have on my face right now. This is the concealer that I use. A perfecting concealer. And I'm not gonna lie, I really do love this concealer. The lip that I have on. The lip liner. Medium nude. I'm gonna actually redo my lip. As a makeup artist, you know, you're going to stand out typically most of the time because your makeup should be done properly. Or not even as an artist, but as someone who's skilled in makeup. You're gonna always look well put together, regardless if you are prepared or not. If your face is together, you together. So, when you're going to a business meeting, you don't want to come off too strong. It depends on what type of business meeting it is now. So if it is a business meeting, you know, with someone that you're familiar with, that you feel comfortable with, then by all means, put on your poppy red, put on your high pink, your fuchsia, your purples. You know what I'm saying? You can do all that. But if it is a legit business meeting, okay, where you are unfamiliar with the person you're meeting with, you may not feel as comfortable, you're nervous, you should probably go mild. You know, you want to have a nude type of lip, you know, a nude brown, nude pink. You know, you don't want to do too deep or heavy of a contour or a highlight or a blush or a bronzer. You don't want to go, you don't want to punch them in the face with it. You know what I'm saying? You just want them to see that, oh my God, like, she's radiant, she's ready, she can do anything for our company, we're gonna pay her a lot of money. Like, that's how you want to come. You know what I'm saying? So this right here, this duo right here, I use this. Even though I actually felt very comfortable with the person that I was meeting with today, my hairstylist coach, I still didn't want to do too much. I didn't want to do too much. I just wanted to say, hey girl, how you doing? So that's what it did. You know, this is what it did. When I hit join the meeting, this is what it did. Okay? So, I ain't gonna lie. This right here shocked me. This is their powder. I use deep beige. This is a setting powder. You always want to make sure that you set your concealer. You want to set it. You don't want it to be wrinkling and creasing under your eye. You want to be sure that you set your makeup to the point where you cry, you get excited, you jump for joy. You know, you got allergies like me. Your nose stay dripping. You don't want people to see that. So this is why you set your makeup with setting powder. So this is what I use to set my face. Mary Kay's setting powder. Now, I do have a go-to comparable item that I was using prior to and still will use on my clients. You know, time, it just depends. But Mary Kay's version of it, all right with me, okay? I already actually have used it on my clients before. They don't know, but yeah, okay, this is really good product. Now I'm gonna tell you one thing and two for sure. This here I can't even think. Mascara. This mascara, I want to show you. This is what it looks like. Now, there's another one that they have that I really do love. But when I opened this one and I used this one, I was shocked at what happened. You know what I'm saying? It was like, oh, dang, you gon' think that I'm not finna really pop your bottom eyelashes out. And so when I went in to use it, I was like, because when you see this, you don't, every time I buy a mascara, when I would buy mascara, and if it looked like this, I typically just put it back in here like this, and I throw it away. Or it's just in my kit for like, you know, a few months until I throw it away. Because it's like, the little sticky parts don't give me, you know what I'm saying? It don't give me that it's going to give what it's supposed to give. So I typically just leave it in the kit. But when I actually put this on my eye, you see how it's just, I was like, oh my God. I'm just adding, look at that. Look at that. I was just like, now, my allergies, whew. Anytime your eye about to water, you just do like this, and then it go away. You just keep doing it. Just keep doing that. It's gonna go away. Now, you know you're doing your mascara right when you make your eyes big and your eyebrows go all the way up and your nose get big like that. That's how you know you're doing it. Ooh. You see how you can see every line of that mascara from way over there? That's what I'm talking about. But see, too, keep in mind when you put it on there, you got to make sure you don't blink too much because, you know, it'll bleed. But as you can see, I've been blinking and it ain't bleeding. Ooh. Still feel a little wet, though, but it ain't bleeding. It ain't bleeding. See, this what I'm talking about. This is my new favorite. Okay. And so I'm sorry, I'm a little long-winded, but I'm just really educating you. This is educational. You know what I'm saying? It's just like if you was in school. This is educational. So, you know, when you used to have them lectures by your professor that was 2 hours, 3 hours, and you walked away, you ain't learned nothing. This is different because you're actually learning something. Okay, this is educational. So we know about the foundation. We know about the concealer. We know about this mascara that everybody needs. We know about the lip and the lip liner. Okay. Just let it right there. This right here, I can't really demonstrate this because I just put the mascara on. But this right here, I used this the last time. And this stuff stayed on my bottom eyelid for like a couple days. And I've scrubbed my face. I wash this. I take the bath really well. And when I say this right here stayed on my eyes, but it was a cute stay on. It wasn't like a smudgy, oh, you know, you had a rough night type stay on. It was like, oh, you know, you look like you have makeup on. You're waking up and you got makeup on. You look good. I woke up like this type stuff. You know what I'm saying? So it was giving. And to be honest, in your kit, you need 2 eyeliners. You need one that's a pencil or a crayon or whatever you want to call it, highlight, whatever you want to call it, okay? You need one like this. This is typically for your bottom eyelid. And then you want this one. Now, let me tell you something. When I seen this, I'm just gonna be completely honest. When I seen it, I'm like, I don't know how this is going to work because it says waterproof liquid eyeliner pen, but it ain't liquid. Like, you know what I'm saying? Like, it's not like wet like the other ones, you know, where you can see the point. When you pull it out, you see little splatters kind of. It's not like that. So I was really kind of confused. But then, I don't know if y'all ever take a really close look at my makeup pictures, but sometimes I struggle. I struggle with a straight line. But glory get this line, y'all. And when I tell you that I want to swear to God, but I know my saints on here going, don't swear to God, but I swear to God. It took me all over 5 seconds to put this on my eyelid. And look how straight. Look how straight that is. Mind you, I was rushing for me. So, look at this. It was really super easy to apply. Now, I know you probably can't tell what I just did because it was already there. But look how perfect the eyeliner is. Now, I'm not the eyeliner girl. Like, I typically don't, for my everyday faces, I never put on eyeliner. But I said, since, hey, I'm going to a meeting, I'm not finna go bold with, you know, my normal, my contour, my blush, my highlight. Even my under eye concealer is typically a lot brighter because you want to see the contrast, the difference. I was trying to keep it on down, you know, but so I said, well, let me go ahead and just use the eyeliner because I didn't get a chance to use it the last time. Child, why did I do that? Okay. Now, when you got eyelash extensions, you know, sometimes one fall, sometimes one die. You got to bring it back up, bring it back to life. Shout out to my girl Lash by Kel. But, yeah, like, I ain't gonna lie. Let me just show you how easily it applies. You see that? But check this out. Now, you just seen me apply that less than 5 seconds ago. No smear. No smear. And so I'm just like, where have you been all my life? You know, like, as y'all, I'm for real. As a makeup artist, excuse me, it's the coat. As a makeup artist, you know, we look for products like this, products that we can, you know, easily apply, not messy, you know, something we can always correct, you know, right over, something that dries quick, you know what I'm saying? And so for this eyeliner to be this good, and for me to put it on 1 second and the next second I can't even, you can, because let me tell you what really happened. I'm doing your eyeliner and y'all so happen to blink with your eyes closed. I don't even know how you can blink with your eye closed, but y'all blink with your eye closed. And when y'all do that, you mess up the whole eyeliner job that I was trying to get so straight. Then you come back down and blink and you mess it all up. You know what I'm saying? So for this eyeliner to not smear within seconds, if it even took seconds, it probably was instant. You know, I don't know. We could try it, you know. 1 second. Okay, so it does give a little smear action. But if you wait that 3 seconds that I did the last time, you ain't gonna see little to no smearing. So I can appreciate, this is really what set it off for me today. That prompted this video. Because I just feel like y'all need to know these things. So, all in all, I need you to know that I put this face on. Oh, did I tell you about I ain't even tell y'all about the brows. So I did my brows with this. And this concealer. The brow was actually really good. It's all in your pressure. But if you want information on how to do your makeup and take your skills to the next level, I'm about to launch a course. The course gonna be real cheap. So I don't want to hear you ain't got it. It's cheap. Okay? I understand. It's gonna be real cheap. It's gonna be economically priced. Okay? But the moral of the story is Mary Kate is legit. Okay? I'm like really excited. I gotta do this more often because I just feel like I'm trying to tell y'all stuff and y'all don't be listening. But yeah, these products I use one more thing it dropped. Yep.